Look up at the ceiling of an Egyptian temple, and you might see something that looks eerily modern. A long glass-like bulb with a snake crawling out of it. For over a century, people have stared at that carving and asked a single electric question. Could the ancient Egyptians have known about electricity? The carving lives in the temple of Dendera. Photographers in the 1800s captured it, and the image ignited imaginations. To some, it looked exactly like a light bulb, a tube, a filament, and a coiled snake like a wire. Newspapers loved it. Fringe theories called it proof of lost technologies. It's irresistible because it rearranges our timeline in a single glance. But appearances can be deceptive. The first surprising fact is that the bulb is part of a giant myth scene. It's not hanging from a wall socket. It's held by a god, emitting a snake that represents life and connected to a lotus, an ancient symbol for birth and creation. It's storytelling carved in stone, not a wiring diagram. Still, the mystery refuses to go away. People point to the Baghdad battery and to polished metal mirrors used by Egyptians and ask, what if they were experimenting with electricity in ways we don't recognize? The tension is delicious. A plausible techno-mystery on one side, an elegant mythic language on the other. So which is it? The deeper surprise is in the details. High-resolution photographs and pigment traces show this bulb once had painted leaves and a stylized plant motif inside the dome. Tool marks match other religious reliefs. The snake is a symbol, not a conductor, and the scene fits into a larger theology where light is life given by the gods, a cosmic metaphor carved into sacred architecture. But the story gets richer when you imagine why we want it to be a bulb. We live under electric lights. Electricity makes the past feel close enough to touch. The Dendera carving is a mirror. It reflects our thirst to find modern selves in ancient hands. That emotional mirror is what keeps the theory alive. Here's the final twist. The truth doesn't shrink the wonder. Whether it was a literal lamp or a luminous metaphor, the Dendera relief shows a civilization obsessed with light, with life, creation, and the power that makes the world visible. They crafted icons so powerful that they still shock us into rethinking history. So next time you see an ancient symbol that looks modern, pause, marvel at the coincidence. Ask what it reveals about the people who made it, and then dig a little deeper. The past rarely hands us technology in plain sight, but it does give us images that can light up our imagination. If this kind of mystery hooked you, hit like, subscribe, and don't miss the next deep dive where we chase another ancient clue that refuses to be ordinary.